Welcome to Itsupportadvice YouTube channel. I am going to today. You can see here is the model. I want to make it a 3D model only from one image using AI tool online. This is the image. I want to make it to 3D. First we need to remove background and then go to the google.com, bing.com, and then go to search Meshy.ai. So Meshy.ai, we need to click on first website and then go to the website. You can try Meshy for free. This is free tool for use to make a 3D model for your gaming project or freelance project. You can see search and start for free. I have already account, so I am going to make it a 3D. You can see this is image text to 3D, image to 3D, and AI texting. These three features are very good. So if you like my videos, please subscribe Itsupportadvice YouTube channel, Itsupportadvice YouTube channel. Now I'm going to make it that or 3D model. So I have already the account. When you created account, the link in the description, you can create an account and then go to get credits from Meshy.ai. So it's very quick process to make it that your gaming project or this, in this case, if you have an image, then get it to 3D model. So I'm going to make it the image to 3D model. If you go to check it the marketplace, this is the all 3D models which have generated from other papers that make it to be a 3D model. So I'm going to drag image and drop into the in this section, and then its image is now going to upload. I'm waiting to upload and then go to type the name of what I want. This is the alien. I am type the alien and then go to click on generate. It takes 5 credits. So I'm click on generate. It's taking little bit, so it's going to make it 100%. Then after completing 100%, the 3D model is now going to generate it. So it's little bit distracted from hand, but will be fixed in the Blender. So I'm going to download for FBX or Blender file. So I'm going to download a blend file. It's again click on download. You can see this download button and click on blend file, then click on download. I have already downloaded, so I'm going to open the Blender file and check it out what's going on. So if you like my videos, please subscribe and North Animations. If you get a project file, link in the description for learning purposes. Now I'm going to double click on alien, that if it's going to open that alien project file. Now you can see here is the model. If I go to close to the camera, if you like other image to 3D model, other videos, other tricks and tips, the playlist is link, play all my videos playlist and link in the description. So check it out, all tricks about image to 3D model online. So you can see this is the model. This is the model is approximately 70% is good. If you want to check it out, this is the polygons topology. Thanks for watching.